Today, we will be launching cheaper than the best-known battery brand, an absolute no-brainer.
Energy is everything, and it links to every single thing going on in the world. There's still loads more to come, and of course, it wouldn't be a tech summit without a tech announcement, and this is a big one, so please put your hands together to welcome back to the stage Octopus CEO, Greg Jackson.
Bloody hell. Before I go any further, I've got my phone out. Can I get a quick selfie? All right. Oh, hello. Hang on. Thank you. Hang on. Oh, magic. Hang on. Can we do that? Woohoo! Thank you. Right then. Don't worry. It's not cruel. They're not alive. Right. I can tell you, there's huge pressure every year at Octo HQ because we don't save stuff up. We're always announcing stuff. I think the very first Tech Summit, we announced we were going to make our own heat pumps. The reason we wanted to do it is we thought we could make them cheaper to make, cheaper to install, and cheaper to run. There are now tens of thousands of people's homes. 97% of them are cheaper to run than a gas boiler. When we had the Energy Tech Summit in Berlin, we had something we call Mercury. Octopus is proud of all the work we're doing to integrate all kinds of devices. Mercury now has over 1 million certified devices. There's at least, 5 companies that are fully certified. There's a dozen more about to be announced, and there's hundreds more in discussion. Last year, on this very stage, we had to have it strengthened in order to announce what we call Power Pack. That was a partnership with the Chinese company BYD to provide people with electric cars that have got bi-directional charging, vehicle to grid. There are now dozens in people's homes, well, not in the homes, obviously, that'd be ridiculous, on their driveways and on the streets and outside their workplaces with free driving. There are hundreds more being delivered right now, and thousands more will be on their way shortly. So, today, these are the outlines. The government have announced in the UK that they're going to make it easy to get plug-in solar. It's called balcony solar. There are millions in Europe. It opens up the opportunity to generate solar panels even if you can't put them on your roof. There are 4.7 million people in the UK that live in rented accommodation. And, of course, there are millions and millions that live in flats. If you can get solar panels, the most important thing to do is to get a battery. And so we will be launching our Octopus Nook, Cube, and Buddy. These will be 2 kilowatt-hour batteries. You can stack up to 5 of them to get 10 kilowatt-hours. Even if you don't have solar panels, they'll pay for themselves in 2 or 3 years, and thereafter just keep saving money because they'll be able to use the cheapest electricity on the grid to charge up, and then you'll be able to use it in your home. And if you do have solar panels, it should be an absolute no-brainer. And for people who want bigger batteries, we're announcing the Octopus Nook Colossus. It's a big one. It's 10 kilowatt-hours. You can stack up to 3 of them. They'll be about a third cheaper than the best-known battery brands. And all of these batteries will come with Octopus intelligence built in, so they'll optimize immediately against smart tariffs to start saving you money, but they'll be fully configurable. So if you want to use, for example, all the solar in your house yourself, rather than going to the battery, or you want it going to the battery rather than the grid or whatever, you'll be able to configure all of that yourself. And finally, can anyone guess what this is? It is an automotive battery. I tell you, the problem with having 4,000 people is there's everyone in this room, right? So this is Swaptopus. Let's have a look.
Please welcome, from the world's biggest battery maker, Oscar Lua.
Like the ceiling can't hold us. Can we go back? This is the moment. Tonight is
Wow,
the night.
good.
We'll fight till it's
Great to
over.
see.
So we
Please.
put our hands up like the ceiling can't hold us.
Thank you very much. This is all very exciting. So can you just tell us a bit more about battery swap technology then, in terms of, how it works, how fast it is, when it charges, also what the difference it can make, for example?
Thank you. Thank you for the question. You already see in the video, it's a proven technology that can power the car with a 500 kilowatt hour in just 5 minutes. That is shorter than you fill the diesel into the tank. We are very happy to partner with Octopus and bring this to UK.
Yeah, because really exciting, Greg, in terms of the difference it can make. It does deserve a round of applause, doesn't it?
Thank you.
Look, the thing is, in Europe and the UK, it's only 1 or 2% of trucks being sold at the moment are electric. And in China, it's 25%. And Robin corrected me. He said, it's not 25%, that was last year. It's 37%.
Oh, wow.
Right? As you said, you've got hundreds of charging stations, swap stations already in China. You've got hundreds more in planning.
Yes.
And, real-world truckers and trucking companies are using them because they make sense. Part of the magic of this is that trucking companies very often have defined routes. If you've got defined routes, you know where you're going to be, swapping your batteries, so you know where to put the battery swap stations. When we launch this next year, it will be cheaper, total cost of ownership, that is the truck and the fuel, will be cheaper than a diesel truck and fuel are today. This is just going to get cheaper every year. And for anybody who uses intelligent tariffs from Octopus, smart, agile tariffs, you know how cheap electricity is at the best times. And the beauty of battery swapping is we'll have a massive stack of batteries at these stations that we can fill with the cheapest electricity at the cheapest times, so that you can give a truck 500 kilowatt hours of electricity, but you took it from the grid. When the grid was empty, you're using spare capacity, making electricity cheaper for everybody, cutting the cost of trucking, and cleaning up.
If you look at the fuel price and the electricity price, the price gap here is even bigger. So it's huge benefit for everybody. And also I think UK is the ideal place for us to start up this business, because it will be much more easier for both of us to plan the network of this service.